Welcome to Performance Unlimited. We got a sweet one here on the dyno for all you Mustang lovers. This is a 351 Windsor. It's going into a 1967 Mustang, and the guy couldn't ask for anything better. He was looking for a 400 horsepower package to put in that nice little Mustang. And we just got done making 433 horsepower and 433 foot-pounds of torque. That's what you call a square motor. That's fantastic. It's got 400 torque right off of idle. Fantastic. This thing, the guy is going to love it when he puts it in the car. Get a nice little exhaust system, set it up. This thing's going to purr like a kitten and give him the power he's looking for. This happens to be our general build. The customer chose blue. Got nice blue wires. We got the Edelbrock head. We got a nice intake aluminum intake manifold, the Edelbrock barb, MSD distributor, all set up and ready to go. Look, it's very simple here at Performance Unlimited. We got a bunch of dedicated guys that love building engines. It can't get any better. We do them your way. You choose color of the block, color of the wires, different oil pans, what have you. We've been building these things for years, so we know. You tell us your application, what you want, we'll design something perfect. If it ain't perfect already on our website, can't get any better. Enjoy. 1-800-267-3940.
Welcome to another wonderful day here at Proformance Unlimited in Melbourne, Florida. For you on the dyno today, we got a Ford 351 Windsor, rated at 400 horsepower, going into a 67 Ford Mustang. And let's make a little bit of noise.